Hello, welcome to the Prakash Nag show. Meeku Telusu, you have been now watching the show for the last couple of episodes, and every time we have somebody very interesting on the show. So today I have with me Sudarsana garu. For a minute, ఆయన గురించి చెప్పాలంటే he's someone who's been, coming to Dubai like any one of us. Worked in engineering, worked in maintenance, went on to build a company. And I'm not talking about, building and succeeding in various ways. He's succeeded, Adikadu. But at the same time, he's been somebody who's seen, life in various different forms, successes, failures, hardships. And at the same time, has an immense strength and belief in, Shrama, in certain values. And this is what I want to talk to you about today. What are these qualities that make a person successful? And success is, meeku mundu cheppinattu, it's not just measured in, enta bangala undi, bandi undi, inke undi. That's not the story about success. Here, success is about how do you look at success in life? And what are the success metrics? Deen gurinchi manam maatladam. I want to introduce you to Sudarsana garu. It's a pleasure to have you here with us.
Namaskaram, Prakash garu.
Wonderful to have you here.
Thank you.
You are a person with so many stories. నేను చెప్పాలంటే అంటే మీరు లైఫ్లో చాలా చూశారు, చాలా చేశారు. ఇవాళ ఐ వాంట్ టు స్టార్ట్ ఆఫ్ విత్ మనం డీటెయిల్గా మనం రేడియో షోలో అనివే మాట్లాడుకుందాం. కానీ అది మాట్లాడడం కాకుండా టుడే ఐ వాంటెడ్ టు ఆస్క్ యూ 2-3 క్విక్ క్వశ్చన్స్ అండి. ఒకటి మీరు నాకు చెప్పండి, ఫస్ట్ వెన్ యూ కేమ్ ఇన్ టు దుబాయ్, మీరు సమ్మరీ ఆఫ్ క్విక్ ఇంట్రొడక్షన్. ఇవాళ ఎవరికైనా తెలియాలంటే సుదర్శన్ గారు ఎవరంటే, ఐఎమ్ వెరీ షూర్ నాకనే ఎక్కువ మీరు అందరు మిమ్మల్ని ఇక్కడ గుర్తుపెడతారు. కానీ వాట్ ఈస్ ద క్విక్ సమ్మరీ మీ గురించి? అంటే జస్ట్ ఇన్ కపుల్ ఆఫ్ లైన్స్ మీరు చెప్పాలంటే హౌ వుడ్ యూ ఇంట్రొడ్యూస్ యువర్ సెల్ఫ్?
లేట్ 90s వచ్చానండి దుబాయ్కి. ఒక 14 years సర్వీస్ సెక్టర్లో పనిచేశాను.
వండర్ఫుల్.
గవర్నమెంట్ ప్రాపర్టీస్, ప్రైవేట్ ప్రాపర్టీస్, మెయింటెనెన్స్ డిపార్ట్మెంట్స్లో పనిచేశాను. ప్లస్ ఇన్ఫ్రాస్ట్రక్చర్ కూడా మెయింటైన్ చేశాను.
మీరు ఇంజనీర్ అన్నమాట?
బేసిక్లీ ఐఎమ్ మెకానికల్ ఇంజనీర్.
వండర్ఫుల్.
అండ్ ఐ వర్క్డ్ ఇన్ ఇండియా more than 15 years. Then I got here.
Nice.
So after 15 years of work experience, so I thought of to start my own business.
Very nice.
I started a company
పేరేం పెట్టారండి?
Kedar Engineering Solutions and Service LLC.
Very nice. And what does Kedar Engineering do today?
We are doing infrastructure maintenance of all new freehold properties, water fronts, which is there in the artificial water fronts.
Right.
And we do high buildings, IoTA supported automation systems for HVAC systems and other building services.
The future of Dubai, as we have seen it in the last 15 years, you are now been a part of it. You are like, yes. what I say, companies like yours are, there's a word in English, unsung heroes antam. అంటే చేస్తూ ఉంటారు, శ్రమ వెనకాల ఉన్నారు. So that is the kind of
we've seen Dubai growing, and we are very proud. I'm a follower of Dubai leadership.
Amazing. So that was actually my next question. Where do you see you have bet on Dubai. If I have to just put that word very bluntly, you have a belief in Dubai, you have bet on Dubai. So why is that? And what you are doing is not about multiple things which people do in crypto or some other things. You are doing real, your company is doing work in real things, which is property maintenance, like you said, waterfronts, where people are living. And Dubai has this vision of 2040 to be the happiest city on earth. So how are you, or what is your belief in that?
See, my thought process during decision, our great leader, Dubai ruler, has given one message during the recession time. How we have to work.
Right.
That is my inspiration to revamp my all energy and services.
Amazing.
So then, after some time, I started my company.
Okay.
Being that inspiration. Now we are doing. See, I tell to my all my staff, technicians, my subcontractors. See, working is different. So we have to work, we have to take money. But within your working, if you have an intention to do service to the community, which is unknown service to the community, you do it. See, when we are doing infrastructure, I'm doing street lights. When I'm doing the signage systems, when I'm doing water fronts. See, not only doing job and going. When you do with intention to do service, we can do so many things. The quality of the service will grow.
Wonderful.
That is success of my company during my service, during my own company.
I think it is success of the company, but more importantly, it is your success. You have managed to bring that quality in you.
Yeah, when whoever is interacted with me, who has worked with me, so that is my first motto, motivate them to work like this.
Very nice. Very nice. Adi, see, I think this is a very important thing you say. Working with the service motto.
Yes.
Ante, we are not believing that we are not looking for external recognition.
Yes.
We are saying this is my job.
Yes.
I'm going to do it with pride.
Yes.
I'm going to do it so that it is very satisfactory. And that is the belief you have put into your company. That is the belief you have put into your people.
Staff, total.
And will you say that this is your belief with which you work? Ante, one
Yes.
single point.
Yes, that is my secret of my success.
Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Really happy to understand that. And again, we have people who are listening to us, people who see the show, and their first thought is, we hear many people, you get inspired by many different things, but there are so many people who are in jobs like what you did before, who have this ambition of getting into, and I think MEP is a part of our lives. If you look at it, MEP, like you said, infrastructure maintenance, all of these things are, when people live, you have to maintain, you have to run and build. So a service company which is doing so much of work in this area and you leading something like that and making that a part of your work is an amazing thing. Wonderful. Chala wonderful.
Opportunity come that we are performing with our satisfaction of ourselves and our clients.
Wonderful, wonderful. And you would say that today your team is working across which all areas? Dubai primarily?
Until Dubai new property center we are working.
Will you say Palm, JLT?
Yeah, Palm Jumeirah street lights have been maintaining. JVC, JVT, Jumeirah Park, Al Furjan International City, Gardens, and Dubai Municipality Parks.
Almost everything, all the new Dubai is
Parks,
something you have been a part of.
There's so many other buildings also by name. Recently we worked with iconic buildings in Dubai also.
Very nice.
Some iconic jobs which I cannot disclose as a professional confidence.
Right.
Which is very proud to me.
No, in fact, I am also very proud that you are doing such kind of things. So you heard Sudarshan Garu, his story of coming into Dubai, working in a normal professional job, having been inspired by Dubai's leadership, listening to what is possible, and then going on to create an MEP company, a company which is primarily providing infrastructure services, the whole getting close to nature kind of conversation, and his motto of doing a job with the intent of service. If you have heard the show, you would have definitely heard of all of these things. This one is a quick recap in terms of who Sudarshan Garu is, and it is my pleasure to have him here with us. Thank you and stay tuned in.
The Prakash Nag Show.
The Prakash Nag Show.
Every Monday, 7 to 9 p.m. on 92.2 Radio Koshi.
The Prakash Nag Show.